Hey Internet, this is Still Gaming. I am Afroblitz, coming at you with another topic. Gentlemen, please introduce yourselves before I drop the topic.
All right, man. I'm DoctaCartoonz, always on that cartoon hustle. You already know what it is.
And I am Dwayne Jake, aka Duanesworld34.
All right, there we go. We got everyone here, and tonight, or well, for this topic, what we got? EA gets hacked. Hacker stole a ton of EA data, including valuable source code, which is crazy. Seems within the last year alone, we've had several companies have their source code get taken or just been hacked in general. Is there a pattern here? What's going on, gentlemen? What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I definitely think it's a pattern, man. It's like I feel like it's just the common man saying "fuck you." We're done with you. We're gonna start hacking because they did it with CD Projekt. Now they're doing it with EA. Like, what next? Ubisoft? You know what I mean? Like, it's going rampant, and apparently Nintendo has been hacked too, right?
Oh, Ubisoft has already been hacked.
They already been hacked?
Yeah,
Wow.
I'm looking at it right here.
No time. Waste no time. You know what I mean? You're starting to see you know what's funny too? It's the companies that people do not like get hacked.
That's true. But last year, what I'm looking at, it says right here, Valve, Capcom, Nintendo, and Ubisoft. And this year it was CDPR.
Oh, Capcom got hacked too?
Yeah, Capcom got hacked as well.
For what? Good. Those Binko machines or what? No, I'm thinking about Konami. My bad.
Yeah.
Ignore me. I'm sorry. I was thinking about the mobiles. I was like
to stop this from happening. You know what I mean? But we'll see. I don't know, man. It's getting too wild west with it right now, man. That the fact that it's a lot of them that are doing it.
Yeah, from what I'm looking at, because like we said, we've already spoken about CDPR's hack and all that jazz, and how the fact that source code is literally like a building block for every game, right? I mean, if you steal all that, but it's not just source code that's being stolen; it's also data, and they won't even say what kind of data. But if you look at the games right now that are included in EA's repertoire, it's like FIFA 21. Dude, imagine the possibilities that you could do with Android games in FIFA 21, right? Like Euro soccer, Asian soccer, and like stupid stuff like that. But yeah, and Madden. I don't even know. I haven't played Madden in a while. Right?
Man, I haven't played Madden since like N64.
Same here. No, dead ass, man. I haven't played like Madden since like PS2 or PS2 times, man.
N64. Yeah.
Yeah. But man, you know what? Madden and FIFA, they're just very, very bleh games, according to me personally. Okay, I mean, everybody's got their own tastes, but these two games I could see being hacked and made a lot of Android games and all those rip-offs being made out of the source code. Battlefield and Star Wars, also Anthem could be a little bit more harder. Anthem, yes, maybe, but like the latter three games could be a little harder. But yeah, no, I just see that people are doing this just for taking the source code, man. It's so easy. You can just build everything from there. I think last week we spoke about Cyberica. It was the same.
Oh, dude, let me tell you, man. I played that, bruh. No shame whatsoever with this company, eh?
Yeah.
They did. Yo, there is a part where you're driving on the road to go to a certain spot, and I will tell you, man, bro, it looked exactly like Cyberpunk.
See where the source code went, man. That is, CDPR can't do anything about it. Their hands are tied. Like right now, they're just like sitting there going, we don't even know where this hack came from.
Yeah.
Who are we gonna sue?
Yeah, man. And the thing is, though, it's like I said, it's going rapid right now. But you know what, man? I'm kind of glad that EA got hacked, because you know what, man? I am tired with EA's with their stupid ass loot boxes and whatnot. This is what they deserve, man. They deserve this. They deserve everything that happened to them, man. Them sons of bitches always, especially with FIFA and especially
Mhm.
with sports games, they are
Mhm.
stingy. You have to open certain things to unlock to create your character. I'm like, come on, man. What kind of shit is that? I gotta pay more money? Nah, man. They got what they deserve. I ain't feeling sorry for EA. Good.
Well, I think at a certain point, this kind of deal would, like, this kind of hacking would have to stop, or should be prevented. Because yeah, they've done it to the major studios, but who knows where it'll end and what damage it could possibly cause in the future.
But the
Right?
thing is, though, Alan, though, I feel like they're like, especially with like a gaming business company, like I said before, right? They gotta hire. They have to hire like guard dogs. And what I mean by guard dogs, I mean like guys that prevent this from hacking from the hackers, right?
Yeah.
Game companies usually have their own tech departments and security departments. That's
Oh, then they're
yeah,
completely shit.
these are like fucking IT engineers, and like they're already they're probably already designers, and they're very like advanced level hackers, man. They
So
know shit,
here's so here's the thing, though. I have a
Yeah.
feeling that these guys are gonna get fired. Is the fact that they're getting breached. Yo, you're getting
Yeah.
fired. I'm
Yeah, heads
sorry.
are gonna roll. But
Yeah.
there's something else that I just found out, that stealing someone's source code, that doesn't mean you can, yes, you can design and mod and all that jazz and re-engineer an entire game and put it out there into Cyberrica, for example. But you can also use that game to make things like superpowers, auto aim, ability to see through walls, modding, which is like wow. Like I think for modders too, this source code is very valuable.
The
See,
thing
so
the thing is the thing is too with hacking is there's so many loopholes, right?
yes, yes,
And that I think that's the big, but like I said before, right? If they have these type of guys that stop from hackers from breaching, they're gonna get fired. They're losing their jobs. I'm sorry, you're losing your job right now. The fact
yeah,
that you having someone's more advanced than you, I'm sorry. Why are you here? Why are you still in this company? You're gone. You're gone. Why am I wasting my money on you when I can find someone that's more advanced? You know what I mean? That's why
yeah.
I feel like they're gonna get replaced really quickly. And to be honest, man, if I hate to be in their position, you know what I mean?
Hmm.
Because
Yeah,
they have a
for
lot of
sure.
explaining to do to the higher ups. How comes we got breached? How comes we got hacked? I thought you know this stuff. What's going on?
Yeah.
Right. So
Well, my only thing is, like, if they're getting in there and getting source code and stuff, they could take user data too.
Yeah,
bro, they could take
Yeah,
everything, man.
which is when I say, like, how far will it go? That's what I'm talking about. Because
Yeah.
user data is very valuable. We already know this because all these social media websites uses user data to make money, right?
yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's
And
And they're
that's the whole
taking
thing.
it. They're just taking it like it's like
What, on social
easily
media?
too.
On
With
social
ease.
media, or are you talking about these hackers? Yeah,
Yo, they're
yeah,
taking it with ease, man.
yeah. They are.
And that's even the troubling part too, man. You know what I mean? It's like
So the thing is, though, EA has declared that no player data was actually accessed, and we have no reason to believe that there is any risk to player privacy.
bullshit.
Yeah, no,
I know.
no. Well, yeah, it could be bull and it could be true, but in the future, it could happen.
Bro, we're seeing it right now. Cyberrica is a perfect example.
No, not that. I'm talking about user data being taken. I know the source code was
Yeah,
taken,
yeah.
being copied.
Yeah, that's
User data, yeah.
don't
Yeah.
worry, don't worry. You'll see it soon, man. Don't worry. These hackers always have something new up their sleeves, man.
I think the only people who are doing this right now are people in the modding community. Okay, they're good. They're good at what they do. So they use
They're
uh,
hilarious.
yeah, they use ransomware programs, right? So
Yeah.
they literally crack into a system or whatever, and they use ransomware, and that's how they're getting the codes. And basically, what they do is they're using it for modding. But after they're done with it, they're selling it on the dark web. And
Yeah.
or just releasing it out there for free, because like it's just like whatever, we've had our fun. Let everybody else go at it. I think that's their whole like MO. That's exactly what they're doing. They're just taking out there and releasing it, and then you have games that just pop up like Cyberika and what have you. I wouldn't be surprised, like I said before, if there's gonna be like Euro football or like African football, just on the basis on the source code of FIFA. I really wouldn't be surprised.
I wouldn't go past it, man. It's probably on my iPhone right now as we speak.
Mm-hmm.
I remember one point where they hacked the PlayStation network too.
Yeah, on the PlayStation 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that.
And I feel like they were trying to do an attempt for the PS4 as well too.
Because I know for the PS3 there was concerns that credit card information would be taken.
Oh.
Right, because they hacked the network directly, and people have the credit cards on there. Now you don't have those necessary issues when you're dealing with the studios, these developers, because they don't have your credit card information, but there still might be some personal information in there.
Yeah,
because
you have to register your games, right?
Yeah, because they all want you to register to their goofy website, and you put in all your information and stuff for all of them.
Yeah, no, EA market, that's just for tracking trends. That's what EA does, just to track trends and make sure how many people are playing the games, what's your age, how many times have you had sex, have you had sex?
Someone who wants to sell information, that's very useful.
You know what? What I think the plot twist is? I think someone works within that company and says, you know what, I had enough with EA. I'm gonna start.
An inside person.
Inside person. I feel like someone is fed up with EA with their bullshit shenanigans. Is like, I had enough. I know everything about EA, so I'm gonna go hack into their system.
Well, it's possible because you know how these these employees in these game companies, they kind of move around a lot to different companies.
Yeah.
Right. So they need to find whichever person is moving around to each one of those companies is hacked and catch him, because it's that person. It's him or her.
But you know what? But knowing these hackers, man, they know how to stay anonymous.
It's very easy. Which person worked at all those companies a little bit before the hack, during the hack?
Yeah.
Fire that person.
So you gentlemen are saying it's not a hack, it's a leak.
That's smart. Who knows?
It's a possibility. It's a possibility. But like I said, right? I'm not like, it's just a theory. It's just only a theory.
Yeah, just fun speculation a little bit.
Yeah. So
the only thing that's clear is that there's a pattern, and hackers are attacking these game companies.
Yeah.
In the last year, right?
Yeah.
Man. So we'll see. But to be honest, is like, if that's the case, man, imagine like they do it to other gaming companies like Bethesda, or But I feel like it's only companies that they don't like.
Well, right now people don't really like Bethesda.
Yeah. So you might see their codes get hacked. Who knows, man? Or Bethesda might put a stop to it. Who knows?
Yeah. People haven't liked Bethesda for years.
Yeah.
Ever since Fallout 76. So
exactly. Yeah. Anyone who's watching in the comments, let us know, who do you think will be hacked next? Which studio is gonna get attacked next? And if you like what we do here, make sure you like and subscribe on YouTube. Check us out. Follow and like on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. And peace out.
Peace.